Welcome to Qt Fast Track Series. For API Recommended Practice 572. Inspection Practices for Pressure Vessels. In this lecture, we will discuss the sub-clauses 4.5 uses of pressure vessels. Pressure vessels are used in most processes in a refinery or petrochemical plant. They are used to contain process fluids. A pressure vessel can be used as thermal reactor or a catalytic reactor to contain the chemical change required by the process. Fractionator to separate various constituents produced in the reaction. Separator to separate gases, chemicals, or catalyst from a product. Surge drum for liquids. Chemical treating unit. Settling drum to permit separation of a chemical from a treated product. Regenerator to restore a catalyst or chemical to its original properties. Heat exchanger, condenser, cooler, or other type of vessel for any of various other purposes. As illustrated in figures, various types of pressure vessels such as vertical heat exchanger, horizontal vessel, spheres, Horton spheroid noted, process tower, exchangers. Review questions. Question number 1. Pressure vessels are used. Answer is C. Question number 2. A pressure vessel can be used as thermal reactor or a catalytic reactor. Answer is A. This lecture is prepared by Samir Saad, and this is his profile.